We certainly learned a lot in the first couple of years.
Right.
In particular, the first time you use your data in a big data way, you figure out the quality is not exactly what you remember it or thought it would be, right? And so while cloud's very important for computational process, I still think there's a lack of a focus on ensuring data quality and speed to understanding how fast you need it. And so early we thought we needed near real-time data all the time, 24/7 in this big data lake. Turns out we didn't really need it that quickly, and we should have spent a little more time cleaning it. And the second thing we learned, because once we started to use it, we couldn't figure out what to do with it. It was so bad, right? So the second thing we learned is that in order to stay safe with the data retention rules and keep things safe, we weren't getting the cutoff dates for some of our data, right? And so we couldn't really safely roll data off because we didn't know how old it was because the data wasn't coming in with a date on how old it was. And so the basic data management functions, in particular if you're dealing with data on people and protecting their privacy and their civil rights and their civil liberties, it's really important to understand the quality of the data and how you're managing and curating that data. Otherwise, you'll derail any analytical product at the back end. So that was really important. But the second thing I've learned is it's all about the people and the skill sets. And the challenge we're having in the government is gathering those skill sets and building those skill sets, right? And so there's a lot of focus on data scientists. And that's awesome. I love data scientists. I want to be one someday. Right. Very, very awesome.
Cool, right? And it's important, right?
It takes a tribe of people to keep the data scientists working, right? And so for every data scientist, you need a couple of data engineers. You need a data artist who understands how to actually present the information to executives. You need analysts who understand get the business value out of it. And so while you'll hear a lot of focus on data scientists, there's an ecosystem around that data scientist that we're not recruiting for, retaining, building, or sort of getting out of the universities right now. And it's the biggest challenge that we're going to have. So we can put all of the data we need in a lake, and if we don't have an ecosystem around better use of it and getting the value out of it from people who understand how to buy these services or run these capabilities inside the government, we're going to slow down progress.
Interesting.